Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if the call recording feature is missing or not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So the most common reason why this call recording feature may not work is if you have enabled Wi-Fi calling. When this feature is enabled, your phone can't record any calls. So first open the settings app. Now tap on connections. Now disable this Wi-Fi calling option. Now the next thing you'll need to do is ensure that the call recording feature is actually enabled on your phone. For that, open the phone app. Now tap this three dot icon here. Now select settings. Now in this menu you should see this record calls option. However, if you don't see it on your device, it likely means that the feature is not available in your region. So for example, this feature is currently not available in the US, but it is available in India and some part of Europe. So if you don't see it, it means that you won't be able to use this feature natively, but you can use a third-party app. However, if you do see it on your device, simply tap on it and make sure this auto record calls option is enabled. Additionally, you will need to ensure that the auto record calls option is enabled for all calls. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.